Hey, we got a thing in here called June bugs.
So a lot of bugs come out of it?
I guess so. You ain't gonna like that?
Let's try it.
Show.
Yeah, do the pyro fan.
Oh Lord, hold this everything.
Okay.
Come on.
It's already recording now.
Come on.
What you rushing, Gene?
Come on.
Jeez.
Do it now. Show it. Put it on here.
It's already recording.
Don't you? Me. Missy. Missy. Where you at? I can't get you.
That fan still stay back. When it lights up, just there. It'll come in.
Kaliyah.
Hey, girl.
What you just said?
Hey.
Oh. That's called June bug.
No, it ain't. I got the
I'm getting it.
Oh,
That's the pyro fan.
that's it right there.
Boy, if you don't get out of this video, I know something. Yes,
Yeah,
I
she
can
seen
see
it.
it.
Alright, let me see that letter. This is called June bug.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. Do it on the nut. Now get. Hurry up for June go to lighten up something again.
I don't care about you slowing down, Pop.
That's June bug.
Man, wow.
And that's the same thing?
Basically,
Do the
I
bug
thought
one.
I was gonna have some big explosions out here.
What you got over there, Kaliyah?
Do the bug one.
Oh, you got a light, Joe?
I just did the
You
June
need a
bug.
lighter?
The bug.
I just did the bug.
Oh.
And we got one called TNT Fighter Ant. I want to see what that's all about. You want to like this one?
Yeah.
For sure, my nigga. Come
Show.
on. For sure. Come out there and do the moon dance in the thing.
Right.
Got it going on.
Hmm?
Burn my head.
Get this one.
They have a different color.
You got it, Abraham?
Yeah, I'm getting it. Ooh, make fire. Fire, fire, fire.
Down to the bottom.
I can see it. What you finna do? What you finna do? Look, you moving too slow. Wait.
What is that one? Fire ant. Fire ant.
Yeah. These things so lame with these lights. I want some boom. Boom shakalaka.
Well, you want the triangle one that go boom 140
Yes,
times?
son.
That's
We
high.
took that one home.
You can't see them
Those
black
three
niggas.
gorgeous ladies. But you can't see them. You see this guy, Gene. You see him a white t-shirt.
Mm-hmm. See them white t-shirts?
Let me see.
Cleo,
No.
y'all didn't like
Oh,
these?
my teeth white now.
I can't see it, Gene. I see your face, which is dark.
Which is dark and sweaty.
What is
You Abraham with your bright shirt on.
fire that?
Light
You
so.
want to close this fire?
You want to light all? Man, you gonna burn your hand. Try to light all of them at once.
What those is?
Camera?
That's gonna spark.
Oh.
Alright.
They ain't gonna burn her hand. I had about 4 in my hand.
Yeah.
You got gator hands. My mama don't got no gator hands.
That train sound like a little play toy.
That's if they want to light.
Action.
Look at you. Oh.
Abraham?
She's scared of them.
Scared?
Yeah, she's scared.
Yeah, okay.
You try to get her to hold one.
Okay, the
That just lit and just went out.
What's up?
I think. Oh my god.
I was making a reflection in my
That
those come out nice.
It's my baby mama. Say hey, Cleo.
Hi.
You can't really see her. You can't see me either. But you know.
That wasn't even them. Y'all was going on the wrong one. That wasn't them. Going on popples.
Mr. Joe. That's Mr. Joe.
Grown up popples? Let me see the grown up popples. I'm gonna throw them in the road.
Let's burn this shit.
Nah, I got 10,000 grams.